Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is a really big day. The concrete project is starting. So let me show you where we're at so far in getting the next door house driveway and patios poured. The truck is here. The first truck, I think it's 3.5 truckloads. Big project, really exciting. It's all becoming a reality. I can't believe how fast it's happening and how great it looks. Oh my goodness. Truck number 2 has arrived to continue pouring. This is so exciting. It said it was going to be like 3.5 truckloads. So, wow. Oh my gosh. How cool is this? And the second truck is starting to pour. They've done such a great job. Coming back tomorrow to do a round back and finish out front. It's like instant gratification. It's like everything we do in the garden takes forever. Well, y'all, the concrete is in. I can't believe it. I love it so much. It is everything I was dreaming it would be, plus some. Obviously we haven't driven on it yet. We have a lot of work to do, which my summer helpers will help me with. We will have to add sand and then sod along the edge so that we can mow against the driveway. So that'll be a good project. And they still have to do some cutting for the expansion joints. They're coming back tomorrow. I just picked up some furniture that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna obviously replace the cushions, but a nice simple black wrought iron set so that our first visitors who are coming on Sunday will have some place to sit that's actually in the shade. So remember, this front faces east, and that section is in the shade by 3 p.m. And trust me, you want to be in the shade because it's like 1 billion degrees here. So going across here, they just laid this today. Little step down and just over to the back deck for now. We have some plans for reconstruction here, and we didn't want to commit to the design back here at all until we really come up with a plan. So it's not ideal, but it's good enough. And you know, we gotta take things at one step at a time. We're on a budget. Overall, I'm just so excited to have this step done. And now I can really focus like all of my time and energy on getting the gardens built. Just waiting for the sod to get removed so we can cover crop for the summer and then really get busy planting it with native perennials, trees and shrubs in the fall when temperatures cool down and we get actually meaningful amounts of rain. For now, I think I'm gonna pop inside and grab a Hoegaarden and sit on this fabulous new front patio. Something that we have been dreaming of now for almost a year. I can't believe that it's actually coming to fruition. Okay.
How you doing? This is to all my YouTube fans. This is Muhammad with INT Concrete. We done poured the driveway, did a sidewalk in the backyard. And if you want to reach us, if y'all guys want any work, his phone number is 919-665-9072.
Awesome, and I'm gonna put the link in the description so they can find you.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, thanks for doing such an awesome job and for being so fast. Like, I sent you guys a message, you called immediately, you came 2 days later, and then 2 days after that, you poured the concrete.
Yes, yes we did.
That's service, everybody. Especially in 2022.
With all of the corona and all the stuff that's going on these days, yes.
Well, thanks so much. I can't wait to have you back to do more projects.
All right, thank you.